Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss on how to create a table using HTML. Now I want us to create a store hours for a fictional business. To start up, we are going to need a H3 element, and in between H3 elements, I'm going to type store hours. After typing store hours, I'm going directly to my browser and refresh to see how it's going to display. Then as you can see, it has displayed the store hours. Now to start a table, you need a table tag. You create a opening table tag and then closing tag. And in between this table tag, we are going to need a TR tag. The TR tag stands for table row. Then we are going to click enter. In between this TR tag, we are going to need a TH tag. The TH tag stands for table heading. Is going to determine how many columns do we need inside our table. Then how many days are there in a week? We have 7 days. So we are going to need 7th. Then I'm going to copy and paste like 6 more times. Then after pasting it, I'm going to edit it to Sunday, Monday, then here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So after editing it, I'm going to click Ctrl S, then I'm going to refresh over here. As you can see, it has displayed in our browser. So now let's move further. Now under these days that we just mentioned in our table, we are going to need a table row. Now under this table row, we are going to need a TD. The TD stands for table data. We use this TD to mention our opening hours under these days that we just mentioned in our table. Now I'm going to put a pair of TD, which is the table data. Then in between this table data, I'm going to type close, which is for the Sunday. As you can see, as I refresh, it has displayed close under my Sunday. So now I'm just going to create more TD elements. Now I'm going to create more TD elements to move further. Or let me just copy it and paste it. Then I'm just going to type a random hours for our days. Then remain Saturday. But if you notice something, this time is not in the middle. It's like it's in the same line with the days. I want the time hours to be in the middle. So I'm just going to into the TR and create a align attribute. But this align attribute, I'm going to set it to be center. Then as you can see, this align attribute make it to be in the center. But this is a CSS property. We are going to talk more about CSS. Now I'm going to the TR element. Then I'm going to set it align to the center again. Then now we are going to move forward. Then we want this our table to be in a box. Then we are going into our table tag, the opening tag. Then in between this opening tag, we are going to create the border and set it to be, let's set it to be 0. Let's click Ctrl S and save. As you can see, nothing appeared in our browser. Now let's set it to be 1. Let's save, and as you can see, our table is now surrounded by boxes. So let's set it again to be 2. As you can see, the thickness is increasing. Let's say 3 again. It has increased again. Now let's just set it to be 1 and let's refresh. Wow, perfect. Now let's add more CSS property. Now I'm going to add the style attribute, and this style attribute, I want our table, I want to give it a background color. I want a background color of black. Now I'm going to set the background color of all our table to be black. Now let's click black. Then let's click Ctrl S and refresh. As you can see, it has affect all our table. Now I want us to be seeing our column, which is the th. I will add a style attribute again, and I will give it a background color. For example, let me firstly put a red color. Now I'm going to choose a red color, or let me say brown color. Then I'm going to click save and refresh. As you can see, a brown background has appeared, but it is somehow ugly. Let me choose another example. Let me put blue. Then let me refresh. As you can see, it has affected only the column, which is our th. And I would like to choose a light green background, so I'm going to click Ctrl S and refresh. Now it has given it a beautiful background color. Now let's move to our tr and add our style attribute. Then let's set the background color dash. Then let's choose this color and let's click Ctrl S, and as you can see, it has given it a beautiful background color. This is how you can create your table, by adding tr elements and also by adding your style attribute to give it a color. Thank you for watching.